Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to continue my Tanto series folding knives videos, and finally I got my hands on one of these nice Camillus Carbonitride Tantos. This will be the full size version. There is also a smaller one. So I got this one in the clamshell anti-theft where it is anti-theft enabled packaging. So yeah, it is really nice and large. Some key features: 10 times harder than steel folding knife. They're really pushing the carbonitride coating here, and rigid and steel. Of course, we'll be talking about the information. So if you like to, you can pause it and check out these informations here. So I did pre-cut the packaging just because I like to measure and give you into the review part the specifications that are coming from my measurements and not from the website, because quite many times I did experience that the measurements will be different. So now let's talk about this little full size tactical Tanto. So firstly, I must say that this is a older design. I don't know when was the first time that they released this model, and then obviously also the smaller one. But I must say they really go in line with the aesthetics that Ernest Emerson made really popular or legendary with his CQC7 series. I will be also comparing this one to that one, but I would like to pick that out firstly. So now let's talk about the specifications. So this is the model number A18672, also called Camillus Tanto, and it has a over length of 20.9 centimeters, that is 8.2 inches. We have blade length of 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 3.2 centimeters or 1.25 inches. Thickness is 2.7 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Hand length 12 centimeters, 4.7 inches, and the thickness is 1.1 centimeter, 0.42 inches. That is without the pocket clip, of course. I must say at this size, that is 21-ish centimeters or 8.2 inches, at around 8.5 inches we have, for me personally, is a sweet spot for a tactical EDC knife. Not small, not large. It will definitely fit really nice in an XL size hand like mine, or also smaller ones. We have a really nice, almost I would say neutral style of handle configuration, in which you will definitely have no significant hotspots. So now for the materials used on this one. On the blade we have, like I mentioned before, VG10, which is a really nice, decent stainless steel from Japan. It has also a really nice, decent corrosion resistance, but they paired it with the titanium nitride, or they call it carbonitride titanium coating. Basically it is a really hard surface finish, in which will protect the blade not only from the moisture or the rust, but also from scratches and so on. On the handles we have a medium textured G10, which is really nice and thin, and underneath we have really full-size thin stainless steel liners. As far as configuration goes, you are looking at a really nice Americanized Tanto configuration, which was really made popular back in the 90s. So like I mentioned, here is the comparison between a CQC7. I'll be showing it to you also when I have the knife in the later part of the video. We have a flat and hollow grind configuration, so really nice right there. Nice swedge. As far as opening goes, we have thumb studs. This one rides on washers, and I would say this is probably Teflon or Nylon, which is also used by Emerson knives because they are black, and usually those are the type of washers that Emerson is using. So that facilitates to a really smooth opening. You can definitely flick it out if you like. I have not applied any kind of oil inside, so it will go even smoother if you use your favorite nano oil or whatever, KPL, whatever you like. So on the blade we have probably a laser engraved Camillus brand with the carbonitride titanium branding, and the other side we have VG10. So I have to mention that these are made in China. Camillus as a US brand was sold quite some time ago. I don't know who is the current owner, but they still produce all the designs, and they are making also some new designs. So if you like this this brand, check out your favorite retailers. This brand of its own is 130 years old, so they have definitely a huge heritage behind them. But of course, as the economics goes, they had to sell or go bankrupt. I don't know what's happened there. So as far as pocket clip goes, we have a deep carry folded over stainless steel with I would say more than a medium. It's a stiff pocket clip, so this will not fall out over your pocket. And this is what I'm really happy to see. You have flush screws, so no snagging points. Now let me check out some piece of paper here. Yeah, this is definitely really nice and sharp. So now let's see the pocket profile. So it will go inside your pocket without any problems whatsoever. You have definitely lots of free space right there. So if you have thick pants, cargo pants, or any kind of tactical pants, should be no problem. And like I mentioned, it is definitely sturdy here. Okay, we have also a really nice sharpening choil right there, so nice flat part here for your consistent angle sharpener system. So this is a really nicely designed, overall designed knife. They are kept in mind that this knife will probably be used and also abused, and will have to be resharpened, and for that this is really good to have here implemented in the design to help you out with. As far as ergonomics goes, I don't know if I mentioned that, but it helps out with this narrowing design here, because your thumb will naturally rest in here. But for some reason they went out and beyond to implement these jimping portions here, but they are doing something, but they are smooth and recessed, so the liner comes around here. So yeah, not that functional. Also the jimping on the top, it definitely would like to grab your finger, but then it is smoothed out, so it is not sharp whatsoever. You can definitely give you a little bit of traction, but not that much. Here on the liner lock side, that is something different, because this pokes out, so you definitely will grab it. Let's see if we have some kind of relief cut. So we don't have any kind of relief cut, so these are cut symmetrically, but with that the liner is raised, and you have this jimping in will definitely help you out to disengage it without any problems. You don't have to push your meat far inside the liner recess. So yeah, I would wish they would make these jimping here a little bit functional. So if you have it in your reverse grip, then this is too low in my opinion. On this side it should be right here, but yeah, it is what it is, so keep that in mind. As far as construction goes, this looks like a T8 and T6 screws. I don't know why lots of companies are still in 2024 using T60s. These screws are definitely prone to stripping, but yeah, if you do not bothered with that, then it is up to you, of course. We have a full open construction with these two standoffs, which is also a good thing to have on a EDC knife, because you can just blow through it and release any kind of lint and dust and grime if it accumulates. Okay, so now let's see a size comparison. So like I mentioned, here is the legendary Tanto design, the CQC7 from Emerson. I brought out some really nice older designs that I have, because this itself is old. So here is the Recon 1, my first Recon from Cold Steel. Then even older design, here is the Utilitech 2 from Ontario Knife Company. I always forget the model number, but this is the 5000 series, 550 or 5500, the Presidio Auto, if I'm not mistaken. So basically you have your standard crossbar or axis lock, then you have your automatic ones, which you have to push it and it will open the knife for you. Then here is the old SOG Flash Tanto in this camo configuration that I have. If we are talking about Tantos, we have to put also the Mr. Williams designed Hisatsu folder from CRKT. Benchmade bailout, one of the newer Tanto designs on the market. Now, since I have it here on the table, let's see the comparisons between a traditional folding knife, the Slim Hunter, so the 110 Slim Hunter from Buck Knives, and now let's continue with some well-known EDC designs. So here we have the CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, Spyderco Paramilitary 2, Benchmade Bugout, the full-size Griptilian from Benchmade. Bucksprint Pro. Red Model 1. Strider SNG. Tanto. Kaiserberg Lighter 2. Spyderco Endura. Spyderco Delica. Kershaw Blur. Rough Rider Peanut. CGRB Pyrite Alt. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So I forgot to mention the weight. The weight comes at 137.7 grams or 4.8 ounces. So definitely under the 5 ounce mark. Not heavy, not lightweight. It is up to you. As far as price goes, the MSRP is $78.99, which is in my opinion a really good price point for VG10, really nice sturdy coating and G10 scales. Only thing that I will probably change out on this design is to update it to the to 2024 and have it ambidextrous pocket clip mounting options, tip up, tip down. There's definitely enough of space here so you can accommodate that. It will probably cost you I don't know, 20 cents more, but definitely the users will appreciate the options to carry the knife as they wish. As far as that goes, I have nothing to complain about. This is a definitely really nice nice piece here, still in production, and yeah, decent lanyard hole if you would like to have some lanyards attached right there. Okay, so here in Europe you have definitely pay similar pricing for this. Some web shops have it at a price that is, I would never pay this, for around 100 to 120 euros. So that is definitely a no-go for me. So yeah, I will link you down below some reasonable pricings from dealers I buy from regularly. So if you like to check it out, and if you're in Europe, then check out the section in the description down below. Okay, so with that being said, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Of course, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate my subscriber taking their time from the day, watching my videos, commenting. This really means a lot to me. It means that I'm doing something right, and I can continue forward with my hobby. So with that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.